Shamana Aushadha Sevan Kal, time of administration of medicines, is an important and special concept of Ayurveda. Acharya Vagbhat in Sutrasthana Doshopakramaniya Adhyay has explained this concept. Various times and conditions to take medicine has been explained in this concept. Let's go deeper into the topic. In Ayurveda, therapies can be classified into two types. First, Shodhana or elimination therapy, or second, Shamana or palliative therapy. Shodhana is about bringing the normalcy of doshas by eliminating vitiated doshas. It includes the five procedures or panchakarmas. Second, Shamana is to about bring the normalcy of doshas by just classifying the vitiation of the doshas. मध्यन्ते कमलान्तरे ग्रासे ग्रासे मुकोसान्नं सामुद्रमशुचौषधं सहोत्रे ते गदेन्नन्नं बलिनो रोगरोगिणो अन्नादौ विनेताये समाने मन्तरिष्यते ध्यायन्ति गातराशस्य सायमाशस्य दुष्करे ग्रासग्रासान्तदोषाणि पुष्टे मातरिष्यति मुहुर्मुहुर्विशश्चर्वे यज्ञसमुच्चं वैशच्यं भूतैश्चैतरोचते सम्पाक्षे प्रकटितमासु सामुद्रमोहिना उद्भजत्रो विकारेषु स्वप्नकाले प्रशस्यते. Sanskrit critical analysis. Refer these slides for Sandhi Vigraha and Samastra of shlokas. Anannam or abhagnam, that is taking the medicine after complete digestion and without food. It is advised in Kapha Vyadhi like Pratishyay, Utlishta Kapha Pitta conditions, if the disease is strong, if the patient is strong, also in Bala, Vruddha and delicate people. In the Panchavida Kashaya Kalpana, as they are heavy to digest and require strong Agni to digest them. Color is Annado or Ragmukta, that is taking the medicine just before having food. Example, a piece of ginger with ginger leaven ignites the digestive fire and helps in proper digestion. This process also stimulates the Amvachana and in turn helps in digestion. Indication, in Apanvayu initiation, the Katu Avastha is also supported by this color and helps in production of the Prasvita Vayu. Then the diseases of lower parts of the body. Vishanta person to strain the lower part for the panic patients, etc. The third color is monthly, that is taking the medicine while having the meal. The whole dosage of medicine is taken at once between the meals. Advice being Samanavayu Drishti and Koshtagata Vyadhis like Jara, Kasa, Shwasa, Atisara, Chardi, Udna, etc. This color also helps in Iktaja Vyadhis and decrease digestive fire. Next color is Ante, that is taking the medicine at the end of the meal. It is advised in Vyanavayu Dushti. In this, the medicine is given at the end of the morning meal. It is also advised in Udanavayu Dushti. In this, the medicine is given at the end of the evening meal. The fifth color is Kavalantari. Pattern of taking medicine is take one bolus and then take a small part of the medicine and repeat this process. Taking attached to Pranavayu Visheshan, also used in the Pranavayu Visheshan. This color helps in strengthen the upper body parts, also diseases of chest, throat, head, etc. Vadikarnati, that is increasing the sexual violence, increasing the digestive fire. Churna, that is powder, Mataka, that is tablet, Leha, that is drinkable substances, are preferred in this color. This color is also preferred for Dhumapana or the vomiting procedure. The sixth color is Grasi Grasi. The a small part of medicine is peaceful. The next one is Guru, that is taking the medicine frequently with quick intervals of time. Indicated poisoning, vomiting, hiccup, thirst, dyspnea, cough, and hoarseness of voice. Its calories are that is missing the medicine is in the form of food. These calories usually anorexia, used for the weak children, street, vruddha, delicate and thin persons, patients of whole body involving diseases, and to protect the strength of the patient. And calories, Tamatra, that is taking the dosage at the beginning and at the end of the meal. Tremors, convulsion, hiccup, upper body diseases, and for upward and downward gradient dosage. Types of vayu with specific 7 kinds. The specific condition